gonna be, what? You think Bigfoot's there?
Hi Explorers, Morgan and
Chris here, documenting this new chapter in our lives as travel vloggers and parents that we call the adventures of Jonah and Jude.
This week we decided to go camping for the first time as a family in
Buchanan, Michigan.
We decided to stay at Bear Cave Campground because it's home to one of the only caves in Michigan. It's 10,000 years old, it's small, which is perfect for little explorers. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
I wanted to stay in a cabin because I thought that that would be the perfect mixture of outdoors meets our family, and we'd have some amenities that I would greatly appreciate.
Where's the fun in that? It's camping. It's camping. So you have to camp in a tent and set up a tent and have a campfire. Cabin's too cozy.
Chris didn't bring pants or a blow-up mattress, so we were off to kind of a rough start with this. Chris has been bothering me for at least 2-3 months about going camping, and I was not opposed, nor was I excited. However, today was the day that he decided that we needed to act on this. It's raining,
It's gonna be okay.
it's cold, we have dietary restrictions, so I was a little worried because I don't really eat hot dogs, I don't eat meat, so I'm like, okay, well, it might be all fine and dandy for you, but what do you suggest? And he said, well, I will make these hobo pockets and I will throw them on the fire because when you burn a fire, it turns into coal.
That's not what I mean.
You didn't bring a hammer or anything, did you, for the stakes?
No, but I've got a big block of wood that I'm just gonna smack.
This is already a nightmare.
This is pretty
Luxury.
luxurious.
This is some bougie stuff, Chris.
Bougie. Alright, now tell me to stop here and pick up my papers.
Your immigration papers, because you're going home.
Getting deported. I know what I'm doing.
What?
Bear Grylls.
Once the tent was up and looking marvelous, I might add, we decided to head into town and grab some pizza.
And I'm so glad that we did because it bought us a little extra time while Chris, I don't want to say took your time, but well, he got the fire going.
There's an art to it.
There certainly is. And then we could experiment with some campfire food and the kids were not hangry.
I'm hungry for s'mores.
Already?
Can you eat some s'mores in here?
Well, what about dinner?
What?
Oh my
You
god.
want it?
What did I sign up for all these years ago?
Yeah!
Look how rugged you are. You're so rugged with your
I
firewood
just chopped it. Chopped it myself.
from Speedway.
It's time for the campfire!
Think you can do it? Sprinkling out. Do you think you can do it? Yes or no?
Yes!
How's it going, Bear Grylls?
Mama!
Something keeps grabbing my ear and I don't know what it is.
It's you!
Oh my gosh, look! Oh, is it Bigfoot?
No!
Oh, stinking!
What, am I locked out?
Yeah! You can't come in.
Are we close to s'mores yet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Aw, that's so sweet.
Aw, he's sharing his marshmallow with you.
No thanks. Bye!
So it's not gonna work, probably.
No, I'll do it on Smells good.
I'm thinking,
Pizza?
what do you think, Jonah?
Look.
We're gonna have, is it not good?
After only 45 minutes of sleep the whole entire night, we decided to head to Bear Cave, heavily caffeinated. I'm fairly certain that Chris picked the bumpiest campsite possible and then proceeded to find the flattest surface for himself and pass out right away throughout the whole entire night.
Yeah, I was going to say 45 minutes. I said all night like a baby. So did Jonah and Jude.
No, Jude did not. That's
I
false.
don't recall that. Anyway, it was a beautiful day. We went exploring in the cave and we were so proud of Jonah because he wanted to lead the way in this dark, spooky cave, which is A little scary.
Super proud.
Hey, look.
How do you get out? Like just come back up?
I don't know if you do get out.
What's all that food?
Oh, it's kind of wet down here, so we have to be careful, okay?
It's really wet down here.
Oh. What?
How is it so wet?
It's a cave. What did I tell you? City slicker. Are we looking for Bigfoot?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's do it. So come on, guys. What is this, Jonah? Whoa. Oh my gosh. Be careful, you guys. What do you think's down here, Jonah?
What's over here?
I'm so glad you brought your cave light. This is crazy. Dude.
Hey.
He's an explorer.
Should we take a dip? What do you think? You want to go for a dip?
No. Let's go that way.
Oh my gosh, you're adventurous.
We're
We're gonna find out. Ooh, this is cool. Have to admit, getting a little claustrophobic. It's all good though, right? It's all good.
Oh, good guys.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you just got me so. Sleep in a cave?
No.
Absolutely not. Too wet. What if we wore a rain jacket?
No. Too wet still.
Yeah. Rain boots?
No, too wet.
Oh my gosh, I felt some in my hair.
Bear Cave was super awesome, but the best part of our whole trip was Jonah trying to find Bigfoot. A little context here, we bought a book called Pete the Cat Goes Camping, where Pete
Loves
the
it.
cat, he loves it,
Every night.
is looking for Bigfoot. And so Jonah was convinced that Bigfoot was with us on our travels
Yeah.
this week.
What do you think's out there?
Bigfoot is something on you.
Think
Is
Bigfoot's... What does Bigfoot look like?
He has Bigfoot and he stomps.
Is he nice or mean?
He's nice.
Oh, well, that's good, right?
Yeah. I guess he kind of different. That means he's being mean. He's just different than us.
I like that.
What's that noise? Bigfoot.
Bigfoot?
I'm ready.
Are you excited, Jude?
I'm ready. Oh, it's just boys out there.
They didn't know who took it all.
The back.
It was Bigfoot.
Ah!
What happened?
So my spider was just Jesse already took it. Bigfoot took it, and then what?
What?
Oh, food is gone.
You think Bigfoot ate it all?
Yes, there's no food.
It's all gone.
Yeah. What? You think Bigfoot's there?
Thank you so much for watching this week's adventure. If you enjoyed Bear Cave as much as we did, make sure that you subscribe and ring that bell because we go on cool adventures every single week and we want to take you with us.
And if you like our video and you love Bigfoot, smash that like button.
And let us know, are you a tent camper or do you prefer a cabin? The luxuries of maybe even a blow-up mattress. Let us know down below.
Camping is all about having a tent, being out in nature, just forgetting everything else.
I want to hear what they have to say. See you next week.
Adios. It says 0907. Does that mean when we check?
That's the date, Chris.
Oh.
Are you sleeping, Jude? Pretend sleeping.
Bobby.
I love your fake snoring, Jude.
Mommy, show
What?
pictures.
What?
A spider.
A spider?
Scare the spiders away.
You're gonna scare the other spiders away?
But watching no one sees this campfire.
So no one can use our campfire breaking the wood. But once we leave here, somebody else can use the campfire, right?
No.
Why not?
I don't want them to ruin no campsite.